Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that three things became evident through Barira. Even Barira was manumitted. She was given option regarding her husband. Barira was given some meat. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to me while the casserole was placed on the fire. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked for meal. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was served bread and curry cooked at home. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, "Am I not sighting meat in the casserole put on the fire?" The people said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the meat was given to Barira as alms, so we did not like to serve alms to you." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "It is alms for her and a gift for us from her." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in connection with Barira, said, "The right of inheritance goes to him who emancipates." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3765.